What if blondes who have a lot of talent are more valuable than gold? What do you think? Uh, Let me know in the comments section below. Why blondes with a lot of talent are miracles? There have been a lot of stereotypes floating around for a long time. In this case, stereotypes about blondes, like blondes are dumb, blondes are not as good at sports as brunettes and redheads, blondes are promiscuous and therefore not serious about relationships than brunettes. Blondes are so obsessed with their appearance, blondes are not strong, and blondes are so easy for men to dominate. How would people, especially men and women who believe such stereotypes, react if a blonde girl demonstrated that she is smarter and wiser than her dark-haired counterparts, can outdo other females as well as males in a track race, a bicycle race, soccer, golf, swimming, music, etc., is more serious about relationships than her dark-haired counterparts, and is stronger than many men and can outsmart them in many activities, including chess. Would she not only be amazing, but a miracle? I'll end with this quote from Pamela Anderson. It's great to be a blonde. With low expectations, it's very easy to surprise people. Ryan Quick says, being a blonde can help make a woman exceptional, because if she can outsmart men and dark, darker-haired women, outrun them in races, and outdo them in sports, they may think that she can do anything, and some would go as far as to say that she is more valuable than gold. My name is Ryan Quick. Thank you for watching.